Hello, welcome to the Library Services for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a resource to the National Hearing Loss Resource website. Understand all of the resources on this website are related to individuals who are deaf, hard of hearing, or deaf-blind. It's required that you log in first. There are two ways to add a resource. First, if you're logged in from your dashboard, you can add a resource from there. Or on the LSDHH homepage, hover over the word Resources. A drop-down menu will appear, and you can click on Add a Resource. You'll notice blue bars on the page. You can open each bar individually, or on the right-hand side, you can expand all of the bars to open at once. If there is a star on the blue bar, that field is required. If not, it's not required. If you see a little eye, you can expand that out and it will provide additional information. So on the first section, the main information, the name of the organization, the website, an explanation of what the organization does can be added here, and the website address. If you have a logo for the organization, you may upload it. You must use a PNG, a JPEG file to upload the information, upload the logo. Organization body. You can explain what the organization does. What's the organization's mission, or what services does the organization provides? If you have a flyer or a brochure for the organization, you may also upload it, just like you added the logo recently. You must have it in a PDF, a JPEG, a PNG, or a doc format. Next, click on Contact Information. For example, if you have the name of a person, you can enter that information. Contact information is not required. If you have a name, address, telephone number, fax number, or a person to contact for more information. Contact name, email, address, or fax. When you add a telephone number, be sure to designate if it's a voice telephone number, a video phone telephone number, or a text telephone number. Check the appropriate box. Now, click on the location. There's a checkbox there. If there's a physical organization, building, or address, or if it's virtual. If the organization is only online, then click that. Or if the organization is a national organization serving all of the U.S., click on that box too. If the organization has all three, then check all three boxes. If the organization has just one, fill out all of the organizational information. If there's a mailing address that's different from a physical address, click on that box and provide the information for the mailing address. Next are categories. Click on categories and add an explanation of what the organization does. Are they an advocacy organization or a parent organization? You can choose more than one category. Start typing yourself and more categories will appear. After you've finished selecting categories, you have the option to enhance your listing by adding extra features. If this is your resource, you can edit how you'd like it to look. You can convert it to a profile page. Any business can use this feature to advertise their business. In the authorization section, you'll see a star. It's required. Make sure that all of that information is filled out. The organization location. If the organization serves more than one state, then include that so we'll know who can approve the listing. We need the person's name and email address. That is required. And check that you approve, that you authorize that this listing is affiliated with a deaf, hard of hearing, or deaf-blind organization. That is required. If you see a green submit button at the bottom, it means you may submit the form. And in 2 days, LSDHH will approve that listing or disapprove it. We'll review it. And if the resource is approved, we'll upload it to the LSDHH website. If it's not approved, it'll be emailed to you with an explanation. Another way you'll know if it's approved is if you click on the account button at the top of your dashboard when you're logged in, and you can edit the information that has been published at any time and submit that for approval as well. Thank you for watching.